Today I'm going to be taking you on a little stroll around Boquete Park, which supposedly was constructed by a family, the Peterson family, which have a lot of influence here in the town with coffee and other things. And we're going to check out this beautiful park. So let's go ahead and go in. Hola! Here we have a price of $1.25 from Señorita Aporte. Taquilla. Listo, gracias, thank you. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, so here's a park. Let's start walking around here. Guys, if you haven't seen any of my videos about Boquete so far, this might be one of the first that you see. Check out the other videos that I am producing about the BCP Tuesday market, about the interview with Jeff, and so on. Here we're going to just be checking out the park, and I'm going to give you as much information as I know about Boquete, which I just arrived yesterday. This is my first full day in this beautiful town, and one of the first thing I can say is that the weather is absolutely epic. If you enjoy a springtime type of feel from 60 Fahrenheit to about around 80, 85, this is the place to be. Here we have a oldish tower. It looks like it's maybe the original. La Torre de Panama la Vieja. The old Panama Tower celebrating 500 years. 500 years in Panama. There's a coffee shop. Tourist spots to shop. Cool mushroom house thing. Can we go inside? No, it's not. It doesn't open. So, lots of little buildings or little rooms, I guess, to sell things. I would assume these are meant for shops, but they're empty at the moment. Master Cocina. Yeah, it stretches down and down and down. Maybe this is full on the weekends. Any of the viewers here, have you been here on the weekends? Are these actual places that are shops, like selling things on the weekends, or is it pretty much always like this? Is it always empty and they're just waiting for the future sellers to come in? Let me know in the comments. Pabellon Príncipe Negro. Ah, so it looks like this comes down from the outside. Oh, I didn't know that. This is where it just was, checking out the Tuesday market. Tuesday market is just finishing up right now. Not seeing much on this side. Here's an actual shop, an ice cream shop. Oh, it just stretches on and on and on. Whew. Wow. Okay. But I guess that the actual shops maybe start around here. So we have what's closed, it seems like, but Nuestro Café, Duran, I think. Duran is a coffee from here. Am I right about that, guys? Is Duran a coffee from Boquete? I remember buying a coffee from the Boquete region, but I've bought so many already, so many different brands and types of the commercial, locally produced ones. I can't even remember really. Looks like we have an area to eat. Like a stage here. I guess maybe they do shows. Maybe on weekends. So this is where the real nicer part of the park is. Artisania. Artisanal gifts and souvenir shop type of stuff. We have some plants. Looks like plants for sale. What do you guys think? Pretty amazing place to spend your day on a nice sunny day. Dry season here, Boquete, probably midday. We're feeling low 80s with pretty low humidity, which is a massive change for me as I've been staying mostly in Panama City, which at this time of day would be about 101 degrees average real feel. So I'm enjoying this. Another souvenir shop. Side. Here's a bank, I guess, for the agricultural business. Or it was. I don't know. Looks like a shop inside selling artisanal gifts, I suppose. ¿Es un banco aquí? Hola.
No, el local es de un banco, pero para la feria.
Ah, para la feria.
Después de la feria nosotros alquilamos.
Ah, ok. No, gracias. Me confundí como, ¿eh? Banco, ¿eh? Here's the other side of the tower. Looks like we have some coffee shop areas as well here. Buckle up or buckle tip. I can't really read that. Can't read that too well. Oh, the sun is pretty hot. Looks like Thomas the Train. Some beautiful plants here. Great variety of flowers. Looks like we have some cotton candy, probably for weekends. Yeah, looks like these shops are mostly closed as well. Looks like a pineapple like shaped shop that is not occupied. Donkey. Burro. Jardín del Trébol. Looks like that's like a sea lion or otter or something. I'm not sure what that is. Pretty cool. Some more souvenir shops. Guess we have a well, pozo. People throw their money inside here. Calzado. Colombiano, selling Colombian shoes, I guess. Interesting. I didn't realize the Colombian shoes are a high prized item. A beautiful mini waterfall here with the fish. Looks like they have like a windmill, like a Dutch style windmill. Yeah. Is this an actual? Okay, yeah, so it has this frame on the outside. Looks like there's like maybe fake grass on the outside. The bear. The green bear. Pavo real. The peacock, I think, is the pavo real. Cornucopia, same word in English. And look at how nicely this garden is maintained. Just cut really nicely to perfection, so everything looks really nice. Here's the bridge that I had to drive past to come on over here, going over to the Tuesday market. And here is the park. You can see the park from the bridge, as you can see the cars driving past. There's like a statue of a soldier or something, or some ancient man, something like that. Ladybug. A lot of beautiful purple, well, pink and red flowers. Some birds. Toucan, I believe, is this one. And some types of parrots. I'm not sure what they're called. Is there anything inside here? Looks like this is remodeling, construction. Yeah, something going on there. Here you have an area, like a picnic table area to sit and eat, I guess. There's a Jeep, Fertica. Here's the front side on the left side of the park. Looks like we have something in 100% Spanish. La trocha que unió a Chiriquí y Bocas del Toro. Some pictures of some people driving this Jeep, what looks like through the jungle. Don't have time to read this and translate, but we'll see if we can get some of that information later. So far, what do you think of this park? Is it more beautiful than the parks you've seen in other countries in Latin America on my channel? This is one of the most beautiful I've seen, I think, so far. And I'm really enjoying it, especially because it was made by the Peterson Empire. Of course, there's a million people with Peterson. It's definitely not my family, but totally support that name. Marigolds. Here, let's go into the... First, let's see if there's any pamphlets. I asked if there was pamphlets when I arrived, and she said there is. I don't know where they are. Where is my pamphlet? Is there anything here? No. But I do believe geisha coffee is from the Peterson family, according to my buddy Jeff here. He said that yes, indeed, they have done a lot of stuff here. Here we have some good characters, some of my buddies from Pixar. The horse. And the cowboy from Toy Story. Let's check out this little greenhouse type of thing. Venta de plantas. They're selling the plants. These are for sale. And so everyone, if you see a B with the slash, that means Balboa. And the Balboa is pegged to the dollar. So one Balboa is $1. So this is $6.50 for the petunias. Eucalyptus, $6. Some sabilas, which are the aloe vera. $6 for this pot here. Buenas tardes. We have some flowers. Roses, $10. There's a big pot. Penta, $2 for that small one. Duranta, $2 as well. Anturio Negro, 12 for this here. Novio liso. This will finish up our Boquete Park trip, walking tour. If you're enjoying the content I'm producing, guys, and you are getting some value, you're enjoying this little tour I gave to you and showing off what beautiful places you can visit if you come here to live or to just be a tourist for a short term, couple days. This is the Boquete Park. And if you're enjoying the content, please hit that like, subscribe, notification bell. And also don't forget to toss over some help if you want to support the channel with the PayPal donations or buy me a coffee. All right, guys? As always, hasta la próxima.